So while in investing, we always say founders first. So as an investor, when a deal comes, we look at many things. Of course, the one formula that you said, look at the monthly revenue and then multiply by 12, divide by the valuation they are putting in. And then we do a lot of research. How do we do a due diligence on the founders, which is the most important lever in a startup? That's the last question I have.
See, due diligence on the founder, there could be 5 basic points. One is criminal due diligence. If you want to check if the founder has committed any crime or not, that is a police record. That the easiest way is to ask the founder to get a police verification done. Go to the nearest police station, fill up a form, just like you do for rental purpose. So get it police with, pay the fees, some 100-150 rupees fees is there, or maybe 200, I don't know. They will themselves get this police verification done. Second, due diligence is also very much important to check whether any civil cases are pending, right? Because if criminal is not there, good, but if civil cases are of nature of financial, right? Technically, we have our contract. In that mandate, it is clearly mentioned we don't take such founders who have civil cases related to financial transactions. Like we don't take them, or any criminal case pending, we don't take them. That's why, so you can check those things. Then you have to check the credibility, which is very much important. You can yourself do a Google check and find out about the founder. There are some certain fake reviews, fake things also. If the founder is very much popular, you will find out people out of jealousy doing this, right? It has happened with me also. My competitors have written some bad things. They, a review on my book says founder has no knowledge. Sorry, the author has no knowledge about startups. And on the other side, I am ranked 4th in the world for startups and venture capital consulting in the world. Ranked and awarded by Clarity.fm, which is a part of startup.co, largest platform in the world for startups. Again, so it could be anything. You have to rely upon your heart as well, your gut feeling, because might be internet speaks lot of lies. And then you can find out the activity. What I feel, I'm just telling you my philosophy. If the founder is not active at social media, right, it is not possible that there will not be any complaints about. When you are running a business, there will be complaints. People will be chasing you somewhere or other. They might be having, like, I'll give you an example of Harit Nagpal, MD of StartupLanes. I've seen him replying all those complaints which he receives in the open public forum at LinkedIn, and he replies on time. So if the founder is too much concerned about it, it shows the dedication and the passion. And that's very much important. If somebody says we have 0 complaints, that seems to be like fishy sometimes, right? So we need to find out, because natural business, you cannot have 100% satisfaction. We all are humans. So how do you handle the dissatisfaction? That also matters. And in that due diligence, we also check through some other connections in our own network, through other angel investors or other angel networks. Like I'll tell you what we do, and others also do. If our startup goes to Mumbai Angels, they just pick up the phone and call us. Shishir, what is your feedback? How do you feel? Do you vouch for this particular startup? And we do the same. If our, we are taking a startup which has been a part of any other angel network or any other prominent investor, we always consider asking them whether, the feedback is good, whether they can vouch for that particular startup. So this basic due diligence you can do, but there is another aspect of it which you cannot do. You cannot find out what will be the outcome after the funding. How I have seen a lot of founders change after receiving funds. They became arrogant. Initially they were like very much, not just with investors, with everybody, with their staff, with the people. Sometimes they call us, or they call me, you are my guru, you're my mentor and all that. After receiving funds, they change. This is again a human nature. This due diligence nobody can do, and we have to rely upon our gut feeling for that. But that is also very much important. How the person behaves in the public, that is also very much important. What kind of, and what I do is I go to their social media and find out what kind of activities they have been doing, what is their likes, what is their dislikes, what kind of talks they are doing. Say if you go to my LinkedIn, you'll find out a lot of social support initiatives I've taken. Uh, Wherever there is anything related to India, I always poke my nose there, talk about it, defend our country on international platforms. So it shows what kind of mindset you have.